Hey everybody, it's almost a drag for me to show you this plant right now because it's not in its prime. This is Viburnum macrocephalum, the Chinese snowball viburnum. Now viburnums you're going to start to learn as really utilitarian plants that can handle a variety of conditions. Viburnums are one of the most popular shrubs in landscaping. This is called the snowball viburnum because of the profuse flowering of dome-shaped, rounded flowers that are primarily infertile flowers that completely cover this plant from top to bottom. Viburnum macrocephalum, the Chinese snowball viburnum. This is a deciduous shrub, hardy from zone 6 through 9. It's actually a Chinese native. It can get around 20 foot high, spreading out 20 foot wide, so give it plenty of room to bloom. You could prune this plant up a little bit to show off the stems on the bottom if you needed to grow other plants underneath it. The leaves are oppositely arranged on the stem. The stems are pubescent. The leaves are pubescent when younger, then kind of losing that pubescence as they get a little bit older. Fine serrations on the edges of the leaf. For us in the southeastern United States, this plant actually will do a very early spring bloom. Followed by, in particular in a mild year, another flush of bloom in the fall. So one thing that people really like about this plant is in most seasons, especially in zone 6 and above, you're probably going to get 2 sets of blooms. Here's a landscape tip. Place as a specimen or in groups for the shrub border, foundations, or hedging. Hey plant gang, out here on the road trying to get you an update on Viburnum macrocephalum, the snowball viburnum. Look at this thing in full bloom, great chartreuse blooms really showing out. Wanted you to see it in full bloom. Sometimes we can get both a spring bloom and a fall bloom in East Tennessee. Great plant, you need to know it.